are an enterprise that specializes in the production of clothing accessories and the development of production equipment. Founded in 2003, we have many years of production experience, especially the several production equipment developed in 2024. Once they were put into the market, they were very popular and greatly improved production efficiency and quality. We have developed one-color fully automatic machines and two-color fully automatic machines. These machines can be set up at once. Only the required materials need to be added for production, and there is no need for excessive manual intervention in the later stage. The machine maintenance cost is low, and the investment cost is quickly recovered. We welcome companies in need to visit our workshop.